I decided to try out Crazy Cazboys $1 day rather than waiting for the 25-cent day. To be honest, it was a little disappointing. After going in there, I didn't find a whole lot, and I found that they had about half of the bins that they normally have, even on quarter day. I spoke with one of the managers, and he said because Christmas was last week, they didn't get nearly the deliveries that they normally get, and hopefully by next week, things will be back to normal. I can tell you that mostly I was pretty disappointed with what they had. Then I came to 3 bins that had exactly what I was looking for, and that was Halloween costumes. I know, you're probably thinking that is a crazy thing to buy. Nobody wants that, but you would be wrong. I'm telling you, you'd be wrong. Here's why. People love dressing up nowadays. Have you not heard of all the conventions we have, from Comic Cons to gaming conventions to YouTuber conventions and more? Even in my town of Pensacola, Florida, we have the Pensacon, where thousands and thousands of people come, and guess what? Everyone is dressed up. The other thing is, kids love to play dress up. My girls had dress up of all kinds of things, whether they were careers or their favorite characters. My youngest Amy was Dora the Explorer every chance she got. So I really tried to pick costumes that related to games and other things that are popular culture. And what kid would not like to dress up as their favorite character for their next birthday party? But you're not going to be able to find those outfits come January, February, and March of next year. But guess who's going to have it? Right here. I'm going to have their costumes that they need. So let me show you what I picked up. Each one of these were for $1. I already have them all listed on eBay, and I can give you an idea of the range that they're selling for and what you should be looking for the next time you happen to run across costumes out of season. So I picked up one little girl costume. It's the only girl one that I got. I skipped the princesses because everybody has princess. Everyone has a princess costume that they can come up with. But Paw Patrol is pretty cool because it comes with a little backpack right here, you see? I thought that was super cute, and someone might really like that. So look at this cute little Spider-Man. It's a little guy's, like a 2T, and I listed this one for $16.95, same as the Paw Patrol one. So next I picked up 3 Halo costumes, all the same thing, so it made it super easy to list, and I listed them for $22.95 a piece. Then I found 3 Overwatch costumes, and look at that helmet. That's cool. So, same with these, I listed them for about $24.95 a piece. They had one Avengers costume, which was a Black Panther, and I did list this one for $19.95. I did find these 2 Apex Legend costumes, and I listed them for $22.95. But this Apex Legend one is harder to find, and I listed it for, I think, $26. Now, some people will laugh because I bought 3 of the Forky Toy Story costumes. And the reason I bought them is because other people won't. They'll think no one wants to be that. But I guarantee you there's some little kid out there will be like, I really want to be Forky. And I'm going to have the costume for them. I think I listed these for about $22. I did find one Lego Ninjago costume. It's Lloyd. There you go. Obviously I know nothing about this movie, but it was the only green one, and I thought, okay, we'll get that one. And it was a little less. I think I listed this one for $17.95. Look how cool this is. It is a Minecraft Pigman. Pretty cool costume. And I think I listed this one for $25. They only had one of these. It's a Mario Kart Mario inflatable. So basically you just wear it, and it inflates around you like you're driving the car. I thought it was pretty cute. They originally had it for $35, and I listed it for $26.95. Now I did see this guy. He was the only one of this PJ Masks. I had never heard of this actually, but it was just too cute for me to pass up. It was one of the lowest price ones, but I listed it at $14.95. Now let me show you the best costumes that I got, which are the adult costumes. They didn't have a lot of adult costumes, but adult costumes are by far my favorites because people do like to dress up when they're adults, and they will pay more for a costume, especially off season, than if they were buying something for their children. So the first one is this awesome Fortnite costume. Look at this mask. Oh my gosh. I love it. So it is, comes with a jacket. It's Drift from Fortnite, but that mask is worth it. And I think I listed this for $35. I did find one adult Toy Story Bo Peep costume. So cute. Look at that. It's a size small, 4'6". I think I listed this right about $30. Super lucky to pick up two of the Fortnite Trooper costumes. One is a small and one is a large, and I listed these for $35. I did pick up this Nightmare Before Christmas. It is the Sally wig. I like it because it's still wrapped, and if you can see, it has the netting still on it, so it's never even been taken out of the package. Now this one only is going to sell for $14.95, but still, great pickup for just $1. Oh yeah. This peacock head was only $1 too, and I think I'm going to get $25 for it. And then I bought one just for the resellers of the community. Let's have the most hated person in the country be something your kids can dress up as. When I saw this, I just thought it was too funny and I couldn't pass them by. So I have a little man costume, but he's probably only going to sell for about $14. Oh, look how cute. I really like to pick up costumes that have a purpose or something someone would want other parts of the year besides Halloween. And my daughters loved animals so much that they would have loved to have a zookeeper outfit to be in charge of all the animals. This is just too cute. And oh my gosh, look at this little safari hat that comes with it. Right? I love this. Putting this up for $16.95, and oh my gosh, it is so, so cute. I did have an adult Minion costume too, but I don't know where it is. So it's around here somewhere, and I think I listed it lower for like $19.95 because people just are not that into Minions. That was my $1 Crazy Cazboys haul of today. I hope you enjoyed it. Moral of today is don't be afraid to pick up Halloween costumes for all year long because lots of people wear them nowadays for lots of different events, whether it's conventions, birthday parties, or just for dress up. You can make great money selling Halloween costumes all year long. So keep that in mind. But I hope you enjoyed my Crazy Cazboy haul for $1 today. It wasn't very exciting, but if you like this type of video, you can check out other Crazy Cazboy videos I have right here. And I will be doing another one tomorrow that shows you how I got over 200 Crazy Cazboys pillows for free. So the great thing about Crazy Cazboys is you just never know what you're going to find when you go in there. Sometimes I go in there and find amazing deals on health and beauty. Sometimes they have clothing that's wonderful, and other times they got not much. It's just a crapshoot. So as always, just be prepared that it could be good or it could be bad, and never put all of your reselling eggs in one basket. Make sure you have a variety of sources that you get your items from. So I guess the takeaway is Crazy Cazboys can be a huge hit or a complete miss. You just never know. The other thing is I made it to 500 subscribers, which thank you guys. It's you guys who made it happen. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll be announcing how to enter my 500 subscriber giveaway tomorrow. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe below, and you can hit the bell notification and select all so it will let you know the next time that I come live. Oh, and at 6 p.m. Central Time tomorrow, which is Thursday, I will be over at the Cap Guys channel, and we're going to be doing some trivia, music, I think, and movie trivia, and we're going to be giving away some prizes. I will link his channel below so you can come over and hang out with us and enjoy a live chat and some prizes and hopefully some fun trivia. Okay, until next time, I'm Angie. Have a blessed day. Bye.